welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I have created this Maharashtrian look with smoky eyes, and this look was suggested by you guys on Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will link down my Instagram account in the description box below. So about this look I have created is not so traditional Maharashtrian look, as you can see. So yeah, I would like to call it not so traditional Maharashtrian look, but yet more stylish. So if you want to know how to get this look, make sure you watch the whole video till end and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new such videos. Yeah. So without wasting any time, let's get on to the tutorial.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers to.
So first I'm using this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 330 and applying it all over my face and then blending with the help of the beauty blender. I'm using this concealer from Wet n Wild in shade medium deep tan and then applying it on my face, and then I will blend it with the help of beauty blender. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Miniso and the shade is brown, and I'm then applying it all over my eyebrows. So now I'm using the same concealer from Wet n Wild to add more definition to my eyebrows and then blending with help of my fingertips. So now I'm going to use this compact from Faces Canada in shade Beige 03, and I'm going to set my all face makeup, foundation and concealer with help of this powder. I'm selecting these two shades, black shade and the red shade from the Miss Gold palette. These are two shimmery shades and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. And according to the intensity of red and black, I'll just add in between red shade and then again black shade and blend it with the help of my fingers. So now I'm taking this matte red shade from the same Miss Gold palette and then applying it on my crease area. This would be my transition shade, and I'm blending it well with help of my brush. Using this black shade from the Maybelline Nudes palette, and I will be applying it on my lower lash line and also on my eyelids, blending with the previous color which I have used. I'm using this Kajal from Show Cosmetic in shade 01 Blackout and applying it on my lower waterline. Using this Lakme Insta-Liner to create a wing liner look for my eye makeup. So now I'm using this mascara, the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline, and applying on my upper lashes and lower lashes. So for highlight, I'm using the highlighter from Show Cosmetic in shade Champagne, and I'll be highlighting my high point of my face, which includes bridge of my nose and also my brow bone. Now I'm using this Baolishi eyeshadow palette for my blush. Last but not the least, now I'm using this lipstick from Faces Canada in shade Blooming Red. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you do like the video, make sure you hit the like button and also comment down below that what do you guys think about this look. And also last thing to say is to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. So see you next time in another video. Till then, bye.
Me in your arms again.